Here I've got BLU Vivo Go, and let me show you all the ringtones on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now go to the sound, and then pick phone ringtone. So let's come along with all possibilities, starting with bell phone. We can volume it up a bit so you can clearly hear it. Let me volume it here. And one more time, let's start with bell phone. And these are all ringtones that you can use on your device. Pick the one that you like the most, tap on OK, and as you can see, it has been changed. So that would be all, so you can smoothly and easily change ringtone on your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.